On Wednesday, November 26, 2025, a prosecutor in Georgia formally dismissed the unprecedented racketeering case against President Donald Trump and several other defendants who were accused of trying to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. The decision marks the conclusion of a legal pursuit that once appeared to pose a significant threat to Trump's political future. The state-level racketeering charges, officially known as RICO charges, were originally initiated by Fani Willis, the Democratic District Attorney of Fulton County, Georgia. Willis had undertaken an extensive inquiry into Trump's alleged interference in Georgia's election process beginning in early 2021. The 41-count indictment, filed in August 2023, was unprecedented in its scope, charging Trump and 18 co-defendants, including former lawyers Rudy Giuliani and John Eastman, White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, and numerous Georgia Republican Party officials, with organizing a criminal racketeering enterprise to overturn Georgia's election results. All defendants pleaded not guilty in August 2023. However, the case has now been formally dismissed without proceeding to trial. The investigation was sparked by a recorded phone call that became widely known in January 2021. On January 2, 2021, during an hour-long conference call, Trump pressured Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, a fellow Republican, asking him to find the votes he needed to secure a victory in the state during the 2020 presidential election. According to the transcript, Trump said, "I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have because we won the state." This phone call became the genesis of the investigation that began in early 2021 under District Attorney Fani Willis. At the time, legal analysts widely characterized the Georgia case as one of the most serious legal threats Trump faced. The case encountered significant legal and institutional problems. An appeals court disqualified Fani Willis from prosecuting the case in December 2024, citing conflict of interest concerns. The dismissal of the Georgia election interference case represents the end of what was once considered a significant legal threat to Trump. The case's failure signals that large-scale state election interference prosecutions face substantial legal, institutional, and practical obstacles. With the Georgia case now dismissed, Trump faces no remaining state criminal prosecution related to his 2020 election interference activities.
President Putin.